Are you looking for a travel folding power wheelchair that's packed with excellent features? The Jazzy Passport from Portability is a great chair with excellent performance and better portability that could be perfect for your mobility needs. My name is Jeff. I'm a product expert here at Mart, and I've been a registered nurse for over 25 years. One of the most unique things about the Jazzy Passport is how easily it folds up. It almost sits up like a suitcase to make it easy to travel with. Now the weight of this chair is 60 pounds, so I will say if you don't have the ability to do a straight lift up with something like this, or maybe perhaps yourself and your traveling companion, between the two of you, you can lift it into a car. So you do need to keep that in mind, especially if you're traveling with someone that has a greater lifting ability. But what's nice is by using this in a folded position and easy to take with you, easy to set up when you get to your destination, it minimizes the chance of needing a lift. The range on this chair on a full charge is 9.6 to 11 miles, depending on your weight and how you're using the chair. Obviously, like most power chairs, it has a four-wheel design, and that's the rear wheels are the drive wheels. So this chair does have two motors, which is what makes a power chair typically a little more heavy than, say, a scooter. But it makes it very easy to maneuver this, very easy to drive, has a lot of different customization you can do to this. And just always have to be careful when you first get any chair at all like this. You want to make sure you're cautious when you're first going around a turn, through tight corridors and things like that. But this is a very easy to maneuver chair. The Jazzy Passport features a lithium-ion battery, which can easily be charged while it's in the power chair with a connecting port that's right underneath the joystick. Or you can also take the battery off, bring it inside your house, bring it inside of a hotel if you're traveling, and easily do what's called off-board charging. So now we're going to take a look at what it looks like to sit in the chair. Just for a reference, I am 5'10", 210 pounds, and in this chair I'm very comfortable. This chair has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. It has a seat width of 17.5 and 16.5 deep. If you're someone who is depending on a power chair all day, every day, and you're in the chair, this is not meant to be a super high supportive seat. This is really designed to be light, portable, and easily fold. So again, I've got decent back support, decent cushion underneath there. I'm comfortable, but if I had to be in this all day, or if you have pressure points, things like that, you may want to stick with a more of a custom chair, something along those lines. Again, it does exactly what it's meant to do. It folds easily, travels, and makes it easier for someone to get to the store, travel with family, you name it, getting out and about. So this is basically called the Joystick. On here I have my power settings. I have the ability to increase my speed or lower my speed, and it's called either slow mode or fast mode. So there's about 5 different settings. That allows me to, if I'm in a crowd, for example, and I want to go real slow and not accidentally bump into somebody, I can take it all the way down to the slowest mode. Increase it all the way up to the top for fast top speed on this. So it just kind of gives me the option to kind of control it to make myself comfortable to my environment. I have a little horn, then of course the power button, and then there's 5 bars that indicate about how much battery is left. This has what's called a tilt-away joystick, and it comes with the chair and it's built in, so it's a really nice option. So when I push the button down here, it basically allows this to start tilting away from me, and I can take it all the way to the side. That way now, if I want to bring this up to a desk, for example, it makes it a little bit easier to get close to it, desk, dining room table, anything like that, and I'm able to get this out of the way and be closer to whatever I want to park near. So basically just bring this back into place, and I'm ready to go again. So in addition to the joystick being a swinging away joystick, it's also very easy to move from the right side to the left. So let's say if for some reason you have weakness on your right side, right hand, and you need easier, or you're just left-handed, you want to move it over. It basically has almost like a little quick release lever here, and this is the minimal amount of adjustment that's here. And I have to loosen this with an Allen wrench and flip this around, and then I can move the joystick and the wiring over to this side. It maybe takes about 5 minutes to move it over, but it's very easy to do. So also for the convenience of getting out of the chair, some people have a little more difficulty going forward in a power chair. So you can swing the arms up out of the way, do a little bit of a lateral transfer, or just step out of the chair this way. The right side, or the side that has the joystick, does fold up as well. Obviously a little more awkward, a little heavier because it has all the cords to it. But again, this is a nice option if you ever need to be able to go sideways, pick up the arm, and it allows you to transfer out of the chair that way. If you really are someone that depends on really resting your legs on solid footrest of a chair. If you have a power chair now or a wheelchair where you just have that solid metal feel, the footrest, and you really depend on that to keeping your legs secure, this has a little bit of a lighter feel to it. It's actually a little thinner plastic, and it's really designed again for travel and light portability. So although it's comfortable and I can relax my feet on it, it's not as supportive as I've seen for some power chairs and some wheelchairs. So just keep that in mind if this is something you're looking at. This chair also has a small little storage bag right here on the front underneath the frame, easy to get to, a little zipper you open up, makes it easy to store small items like a wallet, cell phone, glasses, things like that, something that you want to keep nearby you and close. One of the nice little handy accessories that comes with this as well, with the chair, is a little water bottle can holder. Makes it very easy and easy to secure to the power chair. Basically goes in the same spot where the joystick goes into. You can go on the opposite side. There's a little quick release lever. Then you just basically tighten it up, and now I can have that on there. It makes it a little bit easier to carry a water bottle or a can with you. So just water bottle fits in there, keeps it nice and close to you. A lot of the folding chairs I've worked with, this one folds very easily. But again, keep in mind that all folding power wheelchairs all range in about the 50 to 60 pound range. So this one's right in there, about just under 60 pounds. Really easy to fold. 2 levers in the back, compress them. You want to kind of make sure the joystick's pulled up a little bit just so it doesn't scratch your chair. From there I can tilt it back, and it kind of settles up on these back 2 wheels, and you can even fold the footrest in to kind of keep it a little more contained. So now from here, I can easily roll this around, move it out to my car, or move it just up to the back of the car when I get ready to load. To do a straight lift on this, it could be like this. So I'm fairly strong as far as that, but everybody has different lifting limitations. So something to think about is, again, is how you're gonna lift it up. If one person's on either side helping you lift up to the car, or if you're using like a blanket under your trunk, the back of an SUV, getting it high enough at least so you can get it up into the back of the car. So you just have to have these things in consideration for this chair, but you see how easy it is to fold it and unfold it. So I'm going to move the footrest back out again, roll it back down to a laying down position on the front wheels, give this a squeeze, and it literally unfolds that fast. It makes it easy to use. The Jazzy Passport is a great option for anyone looking for an all-around, travel, versatile power chair. If you have any questions about this power chair or any of the other chairs we have here at Mart, our product navigators are standing by and ready to help answer your questions. So give them a call or continue to browse our website here at medmart.com.